Alright, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to clean the carburetor on this Toro push mower. It's down here. So we're going to get to that. First thing, remove this cover. It's going to be these 3 bolts right here. Next thing you want to do is remove this. You don't have to remove this up here. I just like it because it gives us more working room. But remove, there's 4 bolts. There's these 2 and then these 2. So I'm gonna take those off. Okay, so I just popped that cover off. You're gonna be looking at something like this. As you can see, I already pulled back these clamps. This is the fuel line. But you want to go ahead and pull that off and drain it somewhere. There's not much fuel in there for me, so I'm going to be draining it just into a bottle. Hopefully it doesn't melt this. I don't know if it will, but drain it out of the fuel tank, and I'll show you all when I'm done with that. Okay, so I got the fuel drain. Still dripping a little bit, but that's okay. You can pop this whole hose off if you want, just to get it out of the way. Jesus. There we go. And now we're gonna remove the carb, and I believe it should just twist off. Okay, yeah, it just came right off. And then this is the automatic choke, so that'll come off here. Same with this. So let me do that real quick. So we have the carb off. If you were replacing the carb, you would just install your new carburetor, but they were on back order, so I didn't order a new one. I'm just gonna hopefully clean it, because this mower is less than a year old. But we're gonna remove these 2 bolts on the bottom and use an Allen key and get that out, open it up and see if we can't clean this thing out. Okay, so once I pop that cover off, this right here, this piece comes out. It's got some jets on it. Let me see if I can pull it out and show you. Okay, so this is that piece pulled out. It's got these little jets on here. So we're just gonna clean this whole thing with some carb cleaner. So I sprayed it all out, and now I'm putting it back together. I'll show you when I have it all put back together and start putting it on the mower. All right, sorry guys, I know I kind of skipped a lot of me putting it back together, but it goes back together just how you took it apart. And I did just fire it up and it started right up. So a pretty common thing on those carbs is those jets get clogged easily. Like I said, this mower's less than a year old, and just sitting through the winter, it got pretty clogged up and it was keeping it from starting. But as you see, that was a really easy fix. You can order a rebuild kit for it. It just replace it. Like I said, it was on back order though, the rebuild and the whole carb. So just went ahead and cleaned it out, and it works fine now. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope I helped you out.